Do you ever have trouble with some of your clients giving you resistances? Of course you have. That's why I wanted to make this video to teach you how to increase the value of your product or services and be able to close down more sales. Obviously, that equals you being able to make more money. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Claude Massey with Sales Development Israel. I hope you are having a phenomenal day. I want to go ahead and talk about something that is very important for every salesperson in the world to understand, and that is value. Look outside your window right now. Go ahead, take a look. Do you see that high rise? That's where you belong, on the top floor. And I believe in you. So that's why we need to increase our value, because value equals money. But value for you in your client's eyes changes from every single client to every single client. Do not assume, as so many salespeople are, that they know what product and services to offer right off the bat. Remember, you have a whole arsenal full of things that you can offer, a whole bunch of ways that you can be helpful for your clients, obviously, right? Are you providing value to your clients? Are you valuable as a person yourself in society, at your workplace? Are you being valuable in your life? When you answer these questions, then you get down to the bare brass knuckle facts of what value is. And only before understanding what value is, can you even attempt to take a step forward into providing value for your clients. Never forget that. Your clients need the value. You need to be valuable. Your clients need value. They need to find you valuable. What's the word we're talking about? Oh yeah, it's valuable. And there's the val that you bring you into the val of valuable, I guess. So as you're showing the value that you possess by having extreme awareness of your products and services, all of the features and benefits, all of the specifications, then you're ready to step into the concept of trying to close down a deal. And when you're trying to close down a deal, you're going to come across that resistance we spoke about, right? Now, in order to handle that resistance, I want to give you several tools. I want to give you 3 specific tools on how to increase the value of the offer in order to push the deal past the turning point, in order to kind of take it over the edge like that, you know? And so let's get into it. The first thing that you have to do is you have to be able to offer exceptional service. And another way that you can increase the value that you provide is by offering some additional services. Offer some additional services. Of course, you have your different VIP levels. You've got your gold account, your platinum account, your diamond accounts, for example, right? So that's what you can offer. You don't necessarily need to always adjust with the price. Remember, price and cost are 2 different things. And we can get really deep into the concept of how a price is a number, but the cost is actually a whole different world. I mean, we pay the cost to be the boss, is what you've heard. And the cost is an emotional event. It's an experiential event. So the cost is always different than the price. Anyways, getting back to your services, that is one thing you can do. You can offer a different service to negotiate yourself into the closure. That makes sense, right? So have your bag of tools. And what I'm doing in this video is I'm giving you some different tools that you can use when the client gives you resistances. So the first tool you have there are the services. The second tool you have, well, you can offer different products. Let's write that down here. And by products, well, that means, of course, the client wants one specific product. And what if you're able to actually throw in an additional little webinar, for example, or an additional little accessory to the actual product that the client's buying? Remember, you have a shopping cart full of products, really, right? So those shopping cart full of products, you can tap into there in order to close down the bigger product. That makes sense, right? So offer some side products and some side services in order to increase the value in order to push the sale forward, in order to make the client understand, hey, these guys are willing to work with me here. And you don't necessarily, remember, have to talk about price. The third tool that I want to give you so you can put into your toolbox there in this short little video, the tool is going to be the idea, of course, of being able to play with your terms and conditions. And so we'll write that down here, your terms and conditions. There's always small print inside of all of your contracts with your clients. And so inside of the terms and conditions, you can adjust certain statements and certain elements in order to increase the value of that product for the client. So as the client's getting ready to sign on the dotted line, he understands he's getting better terms than he originally was supposed to, and that's how you increase your value. And so those are 3 specific tools that you can literally use today to make more. Thank you so much for watching the video, everybody. I'm super excited. I want to share some great news with you. I just finished writing a book with a partner of mine, Laura, and it's called Sell, I Dare You. We want to give you a completely free copy of the book. It's about how to increase your sales, of course. All you have to do is go over to the website. You'll be able to also get over there your completely free access into the sales archives, where we have plenty of PDFs for everybody to increase their sales skills. So thank you so much for watching the video. Take care.